7 cool remote-controlled toys that you can buy. Do you want a monster truck which is built to smash and crash everything in its way? Or what if I tell you that there is a fish that can swim in the air instead of in water? Sounds strange, right? Well, if you watch this video till the end, you will understand what I am talking about. E-flite Su-30. The E-flite Su-30 twin 70mm jet replicates the seldom-modeled Sukhoi fighter with power and extra-scale details that all combine for a truly incomparable flying experience. With its twin EDF units running in sync, the Su-30 sounds like a giant-scale turbine-powered jet, and because of its impressively large size, it flies like a big jet too. The 12-blade 70mm fans feature brushless and runner motors that are paired with 80 AESCs, wired to use a single 7,000 mAh battery. This power system produces excellent top speed and vertical performance, while the factory-installed metal-geared servos with ball-link-equipped linkages deliver precise control. Functional extra-scale features include a deployable air brake, LED landing and navigation lights, full flying stabs, sequenced gear doors, and electric retracts with shock-absorbing struts, including a trailing link nose gear, so the Su-30 can be flown from a wide variety of surfaces. A multitude of extra-scale details make it a standout on the tarmac and in flight, including molded-in panel lines and hatches, removable optional-use ordnance, cockpit detail, and a factory-applied finish with a unique high-visibility trim scheme. Traxxas Mercedes P500. Traxxas premium printed box contains the chassis, body, and transmitter. Alongside the book pack, the contents include spare stickers, wheel wrenches, and tools for servicing the truck. The body comes wrapped in cellophane for protection and is pre-finished to a very high standard. Traxxas supplied large black body pins that blend nicely. The small details are the ones that matter. As ever with these high-end models, you will need to supply your own battery and charger. What a surprise! No, just kidding. In this case, it is a Traxxas terminated 4 to 7 cell. It is tested with a 5,000 mAh battery. The majority of people buying this model will be drawn in by the styling and image of the pumped-up Special Edition. It is probably the most bling model ever come out of the Traxxas factory. However, on smoother sandblasted driftwood at the beach, the G-Wagon sadly ended up sliding back down behind its older brother. Air Swimmer. The Air Swimmer shark is the most popular fish of the Air Swimmers family. It's a toy invented by the William Mark Corporation, a company specialized in flying toys. It's a balloon with the shape of a shark filled with helium, which allows it to float in the air. Its one-way valve allows for easy filling, emptying, and refilling. Helium in a disposable tank is often diluted with other gases. Be sure to get the non-diluted helium tank. A fully inflated air swimmer should last a little more than a week. The accompanying controller uses infrared reception to control the tail rudder's speed and navigation. Under normal conditions, the range of the controller is between 30 to 40 feet if pointed at the receiver on the air swimmer, but it can go up to 50 feet under ideal conditions. Please note that it is not meant to be used outside. The sun will heat the balloon, causing it to gain more lift and fly away. E-flite airplane. Utility airplanes have earned a reputation for friendly handling, incredible capabilities, and unmatched versatility. The specially tuned motor and 3-blade prop are matched to a 50-amp ESC to provide fantastic scale and sport aerobatic flight performance with 3,200 mAh batteries, or you can install a 4S battery for more power and unlimited vertical movement without the need for any modifications or upgrades. Functional slotted flaps improve slow speed handling while also offering short takeoff and landing capabilities. Robust landing gear and wheels with oversized tires allow the airplane to fly from paved, grass, dirt, gravel, or other surfaces at any suitably sized park or RC flying field. Add large ponds or small lakes to your possible flying sites by installing optional floats. Attach the optional scale-like skids to take off from land and on snow. The factory-applied paint and decal finish provides excellent visibility along with striking scale looks that are accented by LED navigation, strobe, and landing lights. The E-flite airplane delivers a unique flying experience that a wide range of pilots will enjoy, even if it's your first scale or low-wing model. Power Up 4.0. Grab a sheet of paper, fold it, and go. Instantly put yourself in the cockpit of an amazing smartphone-controlled paper airplane that does high-speed tricks. The Bluetooth module, which includes autopilot control, connects to your phone so you can experience the sensation of flying countless paper, foam, and even balsa wood airplane models. Loops, barrel rolls, and hammerheads are achieved with this special acro mode. Your paper plane's onboard computer automatically calibrates your paper airplane for imperfect weather, with a built-in launch assist and wind stabilizer. Now hobbyists, tinkerers, or students can become a real-life pilot. A 30-minute quick charge gives you 10 minutes of flight time along with an incredible range of up to 230 feet. Traveling up to 20 miles per hour, your plane will spend less time on the tarmac and more time in the air. Simply connect the included micro USB cable to a charging port and plot out your next journey. Jumping Sumo. Parrot is trying to expand the reach of its consumer drone products with the new gadget now available to buy. The names are slightly silly, just like the products themselves, which give you a taste of the full drone experience at a fraction of the price, and which are probably best for kids new to the world of smartphone-controlled robots and people who think the AR drone looks cool but aren't willing to spend wads of cash to find out. The new Parrot drones feature designs tailored to their unique purposes. The Jumping Sumo is squat, heavier, and features a long tail-type appendage to facilitate its trademark leaping ability. The Jumping Sumo has a camera that can deliver streaming wide-angle video, albeit at low 600 and 40x489 resolution, and just 15 taps to a controlling smartphone or tablet. But neither of these drones is really designed for photography. Instead, their main purpose is fun, and the design decisions made in each case supports a few main functions, including aerial tricks for the rolling spider and both vertical and horizontal jumping capabilities for the Jumping Sumo. Shark Truck. The Hot Wheels Monster Shark Trucks. These 1/24 scale die-cast trucks are the best trucks ever built for competition and ultimate dominance, ready to square off in head-to-head battles with their oversized body and giant wheels. Every truck package includes fun stats for each monster truck, including name, truck type, strength, unique crash attack, and motor, so your kids will know everything about the truck. Built to smash and crash everything in sight, crushing any car in its way. The oversized bodies and giant monster wheels give these kid-favorite trucks the edge on mega-rough terrain. Are you ready to defeat everything that is in your truckway? Well, I hope you are, because this thing smashes. Experience the thrill of the launch with an interactive mechanism that propels the monster truck into action, adding an element of surprise to each race. Built to withstand rough play, the pit and launch shark track is crafted with durable materials, ensuring long-lasting fun for aspiring young racers. Experiment with different track configurations to create your own racing challenges, fostering creativity and enhancing the replay value of the set. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.